Joe here. Currently, I am between jobs. Well, no, I shouldn't say I'm between jobs. I'm working two jobs. I just got done with the first job, and my second job starts in a few minutes. Really been wanting to get into this and putting more stuff up on this YouTube channel, and so I thought I would just take a couple minutes to go ahead and do something that I've been wanting to do. Today, I am going to make Baby Yoda from the Mandalorian. Baby Yoda has swept pop culture with its adorableness. I'm just gonna kind of try to recreate it here in Blender from memory, and do the best I can there, see how far I can get. And then after that, we're gonna export it and 3D print it. Here we go. I'm gonna delete the cube, and we're gonna add the UV sphere. Select all the points on one side. Just gonna delete the faces. And then, so we have one side. And then we're gonna apply a modifier, the mirror modifier, so that we get symmetry. I'm gonna turn the select through off. Yeah. Alright. So here is our Baby Yoda. We're all done. We're ready to print it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's start with the eyes, shall we? So I think what we're going to need to do to get the right shape is take some points here and just kind of go like that. Boom, boom. Yeah, and you see how I have the mirror modifier on, so as I work on one side, it will just copy the other side. So here we go. We got an eye here. Let's make that a little smaller. Give it a little eye socket. Let's see. Let's go by. Pull this out in the direction that it's going in. We're just gonna kind of round off this eye here. He looks kind of like a bug right now. We'll just leave it like that. It's fine, right? Alright, then we gotta work on his ears. Couple of ears just coming right out of here. Perfect. It looks just like Baby Yoda already, doesn't it? I'm so proud of this. This is my best work. Let's put it back down. We're gonna keep this pretty low poly too, if you couldn't tell. I'm just kidding about his ears. We're gonna make it look better than that. But it is gonna be pretty low poly. Low poly meaning it's gonna look like a collection of shapes, as opposed, it's not gonna look like a super polished sculpture of Baby Yoda. It's just gonna be a low poly. So we gotta work on the shape of his head a little bit here. And we're gonna move this up. But we don't really want to turn him into an ice cream cone. Well, at least I don't. Or maybe I do. Ice cream cone Baby Yoda. That'd be cool. Someone make that and send it to me, okay? That way we can eat Baby Yoda, as PewDiePie says. Let's see. I'm gonna work on from the side here. We got Baby Yoda. We're gonna make his face go in a little bit here like that. I'm gonna take kind of this back side and scoot it in. Just gonna grab some of these points. Whoop. Alright, enough. Yeah, I'm just gonna go along the Y here, I think. Why not, right? There's a reason I'm working two jobs. I haven't quit my day job. Let's see. This. That one. Perfect. Couldn't ask for anything better. Grab these guys, scoop those in. Kind of want to do it smooth. Okay, well there's that. Now the top of the head's gotta come down. Baby Yoda doesn't have like all this stuff going. Give him a cone head. Have a cone head. This. Check it out, it looks just like Baby Yoda. Oh my gosh. This is better than I expected it to be. Cute am I not? Shut up, baby. Gotta grab some of these. Grab some of these. Dissolve faces. Boom! So now we're back to how we were before. Start. Some of this. Alright. There. Okay, we're gonna grab a few more of these. Hey, it looks kinda more like Baby Yoda, no? Baby Yoda has like really long ears too. You actually sit down and look at it, like each ear is bigger than his face. Let's see. That's kind of ridiculous. This. Whoa. It's really... Yeah! So far so good. I'm gonna pull out some of these edges here, these points. Yeah, see that? I mean, he still kind of looks like a gremlin at this point. He looks kind of creepy right now, I think. And we want to make him look adorable. That looks better already. And that's just great. We kind of want his ear to go in a little bit. You know? Push it. Just going to clean up some of these vertices real quick. Direction, this up. Okay. Try to move this point right here. This point down here. This little section here is going to dip inside. This. I've got to select this guy. True. And I want to move it like this. That is perfect. I'm gonna grab this one point right here. Let's move it up. So we're gonna select all these guys. Put in a little bit, dip this down. Look at that! It already looks so much more like Baby Yoda, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Look at it. Look at him. So cute. Now something's not right about the shape of his face. But I don't quite know what it is yet. What if we select this guy? And this guy. This guy. It's back on. Alright. Oh, that's good. That's good. Whoa, I forgot the joke. Something like that. Yeah, not too shabby, huh? It's starting to look more like Baby Yoda. His eyes are too far apart though. That's something we gotta fix. We make him bigger? I think we make him bigger too. He's got big eyes. Whoa! Yeah, that's looking pretty nice, isn't it? Okay. What I'm gonna do is take this little guy, move it this way more. We're gonna use this to make his little button nose, because he's got a little button nose. Yeah. Little Baby Yoda button. Like that. That's good. Yeah, it's starting to shape up a little bit. Very nice, if I say so myself. Want to try and... I said try. Do or do not, there is no try. Right, Baby Yoda? Hello, my name is Baby Yoda.
Cute am I? Cuteness is my ally, and a powerful ally it is.
That's that baby face. It's kind of holding on and struggling all the time. That's a big old baby. It's kind of like that, actually. Yeah, let's give him some baby face. Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Alright. Baby Yoda. I will make sure no stormtrooper ever treats you wrong again. It's totes adorb. I gotta get ready to go back to work, so I will have to continue this another time. Thank you for watching. Maybe we'll just clip to the next part. Thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, we ran out of time, so I'll have to finish modeling Baby Yoda's body in the next video, as well as the 3D printing in the next video. I'm still working a lot lately, so I don't have a regular upload schedule yet. I would like to. I'm hoping to free up some time so I can do that soon, but right now I just can't tell you exactly when the next video is going to come out. But please subscribe, and then you'll know when the next one comes out. It also really helps the channel if you subscribe. My goal right now is to get to 100 subscribers. As soon as I get to 100 subscribers, I get a custom URL for my channel, which would be awesome. And then my next goal after that is going to be to get 1,000 subscribers. And after that, I can actually start making money on this channel, and I can spend more time making better videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.